This is Max Williams with United Real Estate, and today we're in Glen, Virginia. Today we're going to take a look at a 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home. This home is located here on a nice, quiet cul-de-sac. We've got great pride of ownership here in Glen. This area is well known for its convenience. So we are about 5 minutes to everything. Anything you need in life can be acquired here within about a 5-minute drive or bike ride. So extremely convenient. The schools are very well respected here, and we've got a really interesting floor plan. I like bringing you new, different, and interesting, and this home definitely fits the bill. It's not your traditional wide open floor plan that we typically see. So we've got a bit of formal space. I know some of you were very big fans of having that space. Special thanks to Gita Hariani in our office, who was kind enough to allow us to come out and take a look at her beautiful listing. We are located, of course, on a cul-de-sac lot, which means up here in the front, we are fairly narrow, but in the back, it gets nice and wide. Think of a slice of pepperoni pizza where you have the crust, and the crust is going to be the backyard. It's going to be nice and wide, and a lot of people really like that because you've got the ability to just spread out in the backyard. And if you have little ones that want to run and play, they've got plenty of space to do so. We've got privacy fence here all the way around in this backyard, so Rover can come back here and you don't have to worry about him going out into the general population. And just a great place to spend time. We have a nice custom deck there. That deck is newly refinished. We've got a space there for a bench and even your grill. I'll show that to you here momentarily. This home is in excellent condition and it is ready to go. We'll see that, of course, when we go inside, but I'm really impressed with what we have here at this property. One of the things that I wanted to share with you was just a few days ago, I was working with a buyer and we made a few offers and weren't successful. And this home, we made an offer after I spoke extensively with the listing agent, and come to find out, our offer was accepted. She told me that she had 9 offers on that property, and I was kind of blown away because I knew that we were, of course, in a seller's market, but I was surprised that we won because it is super competitive. And with there being 9 offers, some of those were cash offers, and we beat some cash offers out, and that's somewhat hard to do. I credit our success because I talked to her extensively. I questioned her about the seller situation, what was going on with them, what they were looking for, to some extent what the competition looked like, and she shared that information with me. I'm a big fan of talking to whoever you were dealing with. There's a saying, and that saying is, he with the most information wins. And that was definitely true in this case. And that also comes with neighborhoods. You guys have heard me say it before. Whenever you're looking at a neighborhood, some of the best information you can get is actually talking to neighbors. Neighbors will tell you the good, the bad, the ugly. I can't tell you how many affairs I've heard about just by talking to neighbors. Things that were completely unrelated to the property, but when neighbors get talking, they sometimes find it hard to stop. Okay, let's go on in and see what we have in store. Okay, here to the right, this is going to be a dedicated office. This is not a bedroom. We do not have a closet here, but this is a great space. If you work from home, you can put a desk right there and you can see out the front window. You've got that door there, which of course will provide a little bit of privacy. And directly across this foyer is going to be our formal dining room. And I like this because we've got a dedicated space here with wood floors. We've got crown molding, chair rail, our doorway heading right into the kitchen. And then of course, where I'm standing now is our 2-story foyer. We're gonna head straight back and take a look at what's on the other side of this hallway. Here to the right is a coat closet, good additional storage right there. To the left is going to be a powder room. Once again, this is centrally located here in the home, so a great location for that powder room. Those wood floors continue right into that space. All right, here to my right is, of course, our family room. The family room features the recessed lights, ceiling fan, gas log fireplace. And remember, when this home was built, televisions were a whole lot different than they are today. So they actually gave us a big old nook. And of course, the owners hid their components under there, and they covered it here very efficiently with that television. So very good installation there. Plenty of natural light flows in through these back windows. And we are open here to our dinette space. This is, of course, your informal dining space. Your dinette would go right under that light fixture, and you'd have an excellent view here of the backyard. It's a very good placement of this dinette section. To the right is going to be our galley kitchen. Galley kitchen features granite countertops. All the appliances do convey. We've got that wood floor that continues throughout. Ice maker and water in the door on that refrigerator. We've got a nice deep double bowl sink there. All right, we're going to pop into our garage here to my rear. But before we do that, we've got a nice pantry that's right here. And to the left of the pantry is our 2-car attached front entry garage. And you can see we've got pegboard all the way around. So it is ready for your shelves to come on in here and give some additional storage capacity. There in the corner is going to be our heating and air system. This is a special type of heat pump. This is a thermal heat pump. We don't see these much anymore today, but when these were put in, I have noticed that over the years, these are extremely durable. They last a long, long time, and they are plumbed into the water system. So you can see these are not normal pipes that would be into a heating and air system, but those pipes actually go over to the water heater. So the water heater and the heat pump, thermal heat pump, are connected, and that's something that's typically only seen with this type of technology. So just a little tidbit there. I would keep a home warranty in place on a home like this, or any home that has an aging system. You definitely want to be protected. That warranty can definitely save you a lot of money when it's in place. All right, we're gonna go back through. I'm gonna take you to the back deck so you can see what we have in store back here. Great floor plan if you love to entertain, because you can, of course, open this door. You've got the storm door here, let in some additional natural light. You can, of course, lock that door, and plenty of space here in this oversized deck. We've got the built-in bench. This little nook back here, this is where your grill goes. So your grill actually doesn't take up any of the normal square footage on the deck. So very smart design, and you can get plenty of furniture, plenty of people back here on this deck. All right, let's go back inside and see what else we have in store. I've got a webinar coming up on June 22nd, 7 p.m. You want to make sure that you go ahead and RSVP below. I'm going to put the link below. You want to make sure you RSVP, because we actually have run out of capacity in the past. I don't want you guys to miss out on this. There's going to be plenty of great information. We're going to concentrate on some of the first-time buyer programs, including grant money and 100% financing. Grant money is free money that you don't have to pay back just because you are a first-time buyer. And there is nothing better for me than to see somebody get free money when they buy their house. It is very, very good situation if you are interested in becoming a home buyer. It does not take a lot of cash to buy. Some people think you got to have a bunch of cash in the bank for a big down payment. And if you've been watching for any period of time, you know that's not true. I can often get people in houses for less than what they would pay for first month rent and security deposit if they were renting that same house. So make sure you go ahead and RSVP. Okay, this is going to be bedroom number 2. Notice these are not tiny 10 by 10 bedrooms. We've got a nice space allocation in this home for our secondary bedrooms. So you're not going to be cramped in here at all. The carpet looks amazing in this home. Looks very, very gently lived in. And I believe it was just cleaned. It looks very good. This is going to be our hall bath. And In this one, we have a fiberglass tub shower. Really good looking vanity right there. Those fixtures actually look like they're new. And a very nice clean look. The paint in this home looks immaculate, nice neutral color. So you can move right in. You don't have to take care of any fuchsia or a bright neon green walls. We've got a washer and dryer that's in place here on the second floor laundry next to a very convenient linen closet. So that's a very smart design. We have a bonus room. Remember, we have 2-car garage. So often when that occurs, you have finished space over that garage. And this could serve as a second primary bedroom. It could serve as a large home office. Or if you had in-laws that were living with you, you could put them here. And they could definitely have a large bed and even a little sitting area in here in this very large bedroom. All right, very good look so far. I still have not shown you the primary, so I'm gonna do that right now. It is at the end here on the left. You can see this home is partially staged. That is gonna be a queen size bed that's currently in place. And we've got the vaulted ceiling, nice natural light flows in. Plenty of space. You've got a couple of choices here as far as your bed wall in this bedroom. So some nice options. And this is going to be our ensuite. Now notice this large cabinet here. We've got this cabinet that's right next to the vanity. That's going to be some additional storage. And our nice deep jetted tub. This is amazing. Ladies, self-care is it's in today's world, it's necessary. It's absolutely necessary. Those jets that are right there, all the way around here, they will change your life. Trust me, they will change your life. You throw a couple of bath bombs in there, and you will be a whole new woman when you get out of that tub. We, of course, have a stand-up shower. If you're pressed for time, that would be the other option. Our water closet, of course, right here, we've got a window right there in the water closet. And then my favorite is the closet. It's actually here at the end of the bedroom. So super convenient. That makes it easy to lay out your bedroom a little bit better because now you have one less door that's off of your bedroom. So really good, smart design here in this beautiful Glen Allen home. All right, that's gonna do it for this beauty. If you have questions about this or any other home in the market, my name is Max Williams. It would be an honor for me to help. If you know someone that is selling, we have a shortage right now in this area as far as inventory. This is an amazing time to sell. I don't care what the condition is. We've got people that are buying houses in every condition, and there's special financing for renovation. You don't worry about the thing. If there's items still in the house, it doesn't matter. We will take it just like it is, get it sold for top dollar quickly for you. Max Williams, 804-402-7788. I can be reached on Facebook, on the Richmond Area Foreclosures, on YouTube, under my name, Max Williams Realtor. Please be sure to see the link below for the webinar. Thanks so much for taking a tour. Y'all be safe. Have a great day.